Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. And for today's video, we are going to explain the 6 theorems of a derivative. The first theorem is the derivative of a constant, which will be explained by Princess Bagay.
The derivative of a constant function is 0 because a constant function does not change, and thus its rate of change is 0, which means any number without any variable beside it will always be equal to 0. Thus the derivative of a constant function is 0. The next theorem will be the derivative of a power, which will be explained by Charles Montealegre.
To find the derivative of a power of x, multiply by exponent and decrease the exponent by 1. In a more specific explanation, multiply the exponent to the constant, which is 1, and subtract 1 from the exponent. The next theorem will be the derivative of a constant multiple, which will be explained by Frenchy summation.
The derivative of a constant multiplied by a function is the constant multiplied by the derivative of the function. In other words, copy the exponent and paste it to the side of the constant. Multiply the exponent beside the constant and subtract the exponent by 1. The next theorem will be the derivative of sum, which will be explained by Junior Sultana.
The derivative of a sum of a function is the sum of their derivatives. To simplify, first you are going to find the derivative of a constant or a power or a constant multiple. Then organize the final answer by its right order. The next theorem will be derivative of a product, which will be explained by Yuri Dinampo.
The derivative of a product of two functions is the first function times the derivative of the second, plus the second function times the derivative of the first. In simpler words, there are two functions, copy the first function, and multiply it with the derivative of the second function. Then add it to the second function after you copy the second function and multiply it to the derivative of the first function. The last theorem will be derivative of a quotient, which will be explained by Elena Paches.
The derivative of a quotient of two functions is the function of dividend multiplied to the derivative of the function of divisor subtracted to the derivative of a function of dividend multiplied to the function of the divisor. In other words, copy the function of the divisor and multiply it to the derivative of the function of the dividend. Subtract it to the derivative of the function of the divisor and multiply it to the function of the dividend, and then simplify.
That's the proper explanation of the 6 theorems on differentiation of function. By the way, I'm Jake Pahayag.
I'm Frenchie Salvatore.
I'm Junrey Silvano.
I'm Charles Monte Alegre.
I'm Richfield Dinampo.
And I'm Elena Patches.
And we are Group 3 from Grade 11, STEM 25 Mabini. Thank you for watching.